Hey, what's going on, guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the best sites to make money with affiliate marketing. Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope you guys are doing great. So in this video I'm going to be talking about the best sites to make money with affiliate marketing. But before I get into it, I just want to say, if you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that out of the way, I'm just going to jump right into it. The first site to make money with affiliate marketing is called ClickBank. So if you're new to the whole affiliate marketing business, ClickBank is the go-to website to promote affiliate offers. ClickBank is a website that many people use to make 6 figures a year. It has a wide range of niches that you can promote, whether it's health and fitness, relationships, making money online, or any other niche that they have, you can promote it. It's pretty easy to sign up. All you have to do is go to clickbank.com and create an account. Just fill out your information and you can start. Most of the products you can start promoting instantly. So once you figure out what niche that you want to promote, you just click on that category in the sidebar of the website, and then you just scroll through all the products that they have available for that niche. And once you decide on a product that you want to promote, you just click on the button that says promote. So when you click on the button that says promote, it's going to give you a specific affiliate link. And once you have that link, you can start promoting that in any platform that you're using to promote your affiliate offers, whether you're using Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. You can post that affiliate link anywhere. So the next site to make money with affiliate marketing is Amazon Associates. So everyone's heard of Amazon.com. So if you're looking to get started with Amazon affiliate marketing, all you have to do is go to Amazon.com. You simply scroll down to the bottom of the page where it says become an affiliate. You click on that button and it's going to take you to another page where you sign up. You just sign up with your information, and after you do that, they're going to send you a verification email and just verify your email address, and after that you're good to go. You can start promoting right away. The good thing about Amazon is that any product that they have on Amazon, you can promote it as an affiliate product. The downside of Amazon is that the commissions are pretty small. So you have to figure out which route you want to take. So these are the 2 most common used websites when it comes to affiliate marketing. The reason why is because that they're free. I mean, that's pretty much it when it comes to websites that you can make money with affiliate marketing for free. If you guys are still undecided on what niche to promote, I'm going to leave a link to an ebook download below called Affiliate Marketing Ideas. And what this book does is it helps you decide what niche you want to promote and also which platforms you can use to promote your affiliate offers. But if you guys are serious about affiliate marketing and looking to invest some money into it, I'm going to leave a link in the description below as well on my personal recommendation on how to make a full-time income online. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. And if you guys learned something, don't forget to leave a like and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.